All right, picking up a Jeep, I think. Yep.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good. I was trying to call. It was being weird.
I'll be back just when. How's it going?
You're good.
The Jeep is right next to the pickup.
Okay, let's go check it out and we'll see if we can suss out what it's doing or what the fuck, because I can't obviously get my truck back here. Oh, you know what? Does it go out to the left right there? Oh, shit, okay.
Back up, but.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't even know.
Right.
It was, I mean, there's a lot of things I kind of feel like it
could be
serviced no matter what, but.
You got the key? Let's see. Oh, man. Let's see. Oh. Now it does nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said,
do you want me to check the battery?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
I just
If you want to get the hood open while I go grab that.
Yeah. It turned over 3 times.
But then
the second I went to put it into reverse,
it died.
It just died.
Okay. Is this an AC unit thing down here? It's probably the duct for the underground parking, or like the exhaust fan for the underground parking. That's crazy. Oh man, I'm not parked in a great spot either. Hopefully no one gets too butthurt about me being parked here. But for this tow, it would make more sense to have him leave with a jump start because it's only going like 2 miles. It seems like it could be a battery issue, so if it is, that would be fucking great. Because I'd rather not do all this, tow this thing a mile or 2. I smell fuel too. It's got 12.5. I don't think it's the battery. But
yeah, I mean, like I said, the battery, I want to say it's 6 months old, 8 months old at the
Go ahead and try it just to be sure. Yeah. Go ahead and try it real quick just to make so we can make sure. But yeah, if not, I'll just back up through there for a second. Yeah, I'm gonna move it right now.
Okay.
Christ. Same thing? Okay. All right.
I mean, it might be electrical too.
It seems like it's something with the actual ignition itself, but
there's a mild leak, and then the electrical system has been messed up.
Okay.
I don't even know what. I need to get the whole thing.
You're good. Let me just back up.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Let me get out of this lady's way. Could obviously see I was doing something. Just gonna, I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. Just gonna go out and come back around because it doesn't make sense to back up through the parking lot. Let's see. This is not a great spot to have a car go down, but you know, don't usually deal with ideal situations. Hopefully he doesn't think I'm just driving away. So going back out onto the main, not the main street, but the street outside of here. Okay, hopefully that Kia Soul bitch lady, whatever, is not in my way. Oh, there's another Kia in my fucking way. Oh, both Kias in my way. Alright, both you idiots go so I can fucking grab this asshole. That sounded very suspect. I wasn't calling my customer an asshole, I didn't mean that. I'm just like all over the place right now because I don't like being in people's ways, and I'm going to be right now. Okay, he is in like the last spot I could get with this too, so that's good. If he was one more spot over, it would make this a lot more difficult. A lot more fucking around, turning, trying to line it up with the bed. But this will be easy enough. All right. We're going to John Jay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going over there with me?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to.
Okay, no worries.
I don't even know what.
What the fuck to do?
Yeah, this is.
You're good.
I was on my way to pick up my son. So
Oh shit.
Like, trying to coordinate everything.
Right, now you gotta make sure the wife's available.
Yeah. She has to make herself available.
Right, no shit. Alright. Let's see, I think you put the plate and all that on there already, right?
Yeah, I think everything.
Okay, I just gotta get pictures and then we're good. This Mustang's parked like way over the fucking curb. All right. Hopefully that guy. Hopefully he's not parked right there. Okay. Just gonna say, because once I get the bed down, I ain't moving until I'm done. Ooh, shit. Yeah, just be careful of the cable. All right, you got the key. Thank you, sir. Let's see. Window switch. Set that a little bit. Get it in neutral here without hitting this Mustang. Ooh. All right. You go a little bit to the left. Okay. That's probably too much. Okay. That is a motherfucker to steer with no power steering. but it's just hooked up to the axle. I just want to let you know it's hooked up to the axle. It's not anything like...
Oh yeah, no,
okay.
I'm not worried.
I just want to make sure. Yeah. Motherfucker. This fucking thing. Okay. Should be good the rest of the way up. Alright. Yo, did you want your coffee?
That was chocolate milk for my son.
Oh, okay,
right?
okay. I just want to make sure.
No, thank you. Why I stopped you.
Oh.
I guess it's a good thing because I would have just got the photo away.
Right. Oh yeah, I smell gas leak. You said it does have a gas leak somewhere?
Not a gas leak, just oil.
It smells like it's got a gas leak.
I know.
Can smell it. I just don't want you to have a barbecue situation.
Well, I have a feeling they're going to be telling me there's a lot of stuff wrong with it.
Right.
Electrical weird.
Yeah. It's a common thing with these. I wish I could tell you it's not, but
I changed out all the bulbs.
Nice.
And the tail lights still won't work.
Really?
And then the other day I realized the horn's not working, so I changed out all the fuses.
Right.
This something.
Yeah. If it started and died a couple times and now it's got no battery power, it's almost telling me it's an alternator. Especially if it's doing weird electrical shit.
Yeah.
That's usually indicative of a bad alternator. That's best case scenario though.
Yeah. Well, just see, because I don't remember what it was. There was another problem with the electrical, and he said that there was another thing about to happen.
Oh, okay.
Probably gonna be in
I'm just trying to get you the best, you know.
Oh yeah, no,
optimism.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm so frustrated.
No, I know.
I don't really want to get rid of it.
No, I don't blame you. Buying a new car right now is a nightmare.
Oh yeah.
Tell everybody the best car is the paid off car. I don't care what it is.
Oh yeah.
All right. I just put this away, or put the bed up, and then I'll move all my backpack and stuff, and then we can jump in.
No worries.
All right. Whew. I smell it like right here.
Yeah.
Like I could smell it from the back, but then it got stronger as I moved it up. All right, let me move the stuff off the seat. All right. Yes, sir. It's a shit spot for a coffee shop. Alright. Here at John Jay. 2 or 3 miles later. Going down. What this fucking guy's doing. Oh, oy, oy. Hopefully I can get around this trailer when I leave. I think I can. You're staring at my guy. Keep it pushing. You fucking jerk off. You called Mike before we headed over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just thought of that. I usually ask people that and I totally forgot. Let me just get you the key and then you can head in.
All right.
You know which door it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go to the other side.
I'm sure they'd be okay with you just walking right through. It's the door straight here behind the alignment rack.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I think it'll be okay. I don't see why they get mad. Yeah, yeah. Bing, pop, boom, 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 bang. Gotta get the drop off. These tires are fucked. Drop off picture. You're good to go. Damn. This thing smells like gas really bad in the back. Ugh. Get our drop-off picture. Come on, man. Fucking Face ID. Boom, bang. I don't know why that's stuck in my head. Alright. Good to go. See yous on the next one. kind of an odd situation. Another driver picked this car up, and it was going to Kingman, and he asked if I would like to take it up to Kingman. So I said, absolutely. And I guess we're pulling out a new pair of gloves because I don't know where my other ones went. I would rather not do that though, so let's see. Here they are. Okay. Yeah, so I had to pack all my shit in my backpack real quick, switch trucks, and then headed up here. But the issue is on the opposite end here. Customer got in a little fender bender. You'll see it here shortly. I'm just trying to get this thing out of here. But broke the control arm too, so I'm hoping it just rolls down. Excuse me, rolls down in neutral. But we're up here in Kingman at Anderson Chevy. But yeah, I really am banking on it rolling down. I don't know if it's going to because the control arm, the lower control arm is completely fucked. So hopefully that is the case because I don't feel like jacking this thing up or putting a skate on it. But customer was super cool, so that was nice. He had to ride with me. 3.5 hour drive. You hope the person, or the customer, is cool. Luckily he was. Oh man. Ah, and I just realized I left the key in the cab of the truck. This feels weird unloading this when I didn't load it. Oh man. And since I didn't load it, obviously I have no pickup clip, so we'll probably just throw this clip in with another set of calls or pair of calls at the end somewhere. But the interesting part's going to be seeing if it rolls or if we have to skate it. Really hoping we don't have to skate it down because he had to skate it up, but sometimes they'll roll fine backwards but not forwards. It's cold as shit up here too. Holy hell. Kingman, Arizona. I've never been here. The only thing I know about it is it's filled with tweakers. Alright, cinch up the winch a little bit. Why is there a spray bottle back there? This is not my truck, obviously. But, ooh, damn. Alright. Let's grab the key from in there, put it in neutral, and hope it rolls down for us. Nice and easy, like. If it rolls down easy, I won't mind having to lay in the dirt to unhook it. Oh, let's see. Oops. Alright, let's see. Boy. God damn it. Have to start it. Sucks. Okay, is parking brake on? Nope. Don't think so, but I'm gonna roll that down just in case. I'll leave the key in here so I don't leave with it on accident. Okay. Let's see. Just roll nicely. It's starting to turn. Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna have to skate it. That sucks. Let's see. That's skates in here. Oh no, I don't use this truck. Oh, they're over there. Ay, ay, ay. Why are these all fucked around? What in the hell? He's got these things jam-packed in here. Alright. Let's pull it up just a smidge more. See if it'll actually roll onto the skate. Ooh. Alright. There we go. That'll do it. Hopefully I don't have to jack it up to get it out. It's gonna catch that fucking strap, isn't it? Let's just avert a crisis before there is one. All right. Now the fucking chain part of it is in the way. You bastard. We had to go inside real quick, but we need to get payment before we get this all the way off, unfortunately. So we'll touch back after we get that. Alright, got the skate out. I forgot I wasn't recording. You put it back in park?
Yeah, I put it back.
Okay, cool.
Off and all that.
Perfect.
All right.
We're all set, man. Appreciate you.
It was good meeting you.
Yes, sir. You too. Take it easy.
What's that?
Take it easy.
Actually, here.
What's up?
You got some cash on it.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
Here.
I appreciate that.
it,
Thank you so much. That was nice. All right, let's get this off of here. Come on, you fucker. There we go. Now we can get it. It's like pinched under the bumper. There we go. Okay, I'll pull the bed away and grab our strap and get out of here. Oh yeah, we gotta put that basket on the back. Gotta re-secure the chain part. All right. Oh, what a fucking jaunt. Google Maps took us some weird fucking way, I guess, because there was like an accident or something going the regular way, and it added 40 minutes if I went the regular way. He said we came in from the backside of Kingman, which I wouldn't know from the front side because I've never been here, but I'll take his word for it. Where did my guy hook this up to? He's got it around the fucking I mean, I guess it's already toasted, so it doesn't matter, but we wouldn't usually hook that like that. It's funny. What is this stuck on? Get over there, you bastard. Seriously? What are we stuck on? Ooh, shit, almost fell. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm trying to put it back the way it was coming. No? What the fuck? Is it pinned in there because of the tire? The tire's definitely not helping. There we go. Fucking hell. Okay. Grab the other one. Oh man, I really don't want to lay on the ground, but I guess I have to. or at least sit on the ground so I can feel around under there. Where's the fucking... There we go. Okay. All right. That'll do it. Get our drop-off picture and get the fuck out of here. 3 hours back to Phoenix. I'm guessing he puts this in here. Yep. And there's like no box space on this truck. I mean, I guess there is obviously, but it's full of stuff. Mine, I've got like a bunch of shit and room to spare. All right. Is the GoPro going? It's saying it disconnected, so hopefully that's not the case, but if not, good to go.